Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out the GHD Rise. My hair is naturally dried and I used the GHD heat protectant spray. I really like this. I own it and use it every day. I just wanted to show I do have a GHD Platinum Plus. And I also have the Glide. I really like the Glide because I don't like to heat style my hair every single day. And so I'll do a straightening twice a week with this. And then on days that I wake up and I have like little bits that I'm like, oh, that's not quite right, I'll just do the Glide. This is really good. I really like it. There isn't a heat setting on it. On any of the GHD products, there isn't a heat setting, but this is still really good, and it's like a good low heat option for your hair in the sense of, not that this is low heat, but you can like spot treat easier. I watched a video on GHD's channel. Actually, real quick, I'm just gonna brush all my hair. I watched a video on GHD's channel, and it seems overly complicated, where they're like, you start up here and then you turn it this way and then you flip it around, and I'm like, okay, let's calm down with that. My goal with this, what I'm hoping, is that I can straighten and style my hair at the same time. So if you wanted to have a curly hairstyle, you could do it with your GHD Rise without having to have a straightener. That's the ultimate goal for me. Oh yeah, that's very, very hot. Okay, my hand is stuck. Okay, so it's not going to work to put your arm behind your head because you have to be able to slide it down. So that makes sense. Okay, not bad. We're going to let this cool. I don't think that's what I'm supposed to do with this. That one's better. Might actually be too thick. I try not to touch my curls too much after I've curled them. I want them to cool, but I do like to roll them into one big curl because I just curled it all in the same direction, just to help keep it together. This side's gonna be interesting because it's always so weird flipping sides. Which way you're... Okay, so I curled it way over there. So how am I gonna do this over here? worked really nicely. Okay. And I like that it's like smoothing the hair at the same time. Okay, see if I can get these to. Just real quick to show you guys. This is what we're working with right now. Why do I keep making the same mistake? That curl is probably gonna suck, but that's just gonna be fine. Not nearly as high up as I wanted them to be, but I feel like every time a new hair tool comes out, we've just mastered the other one, and by the time we master this one, another new one will be out. Let's do it. Okie dokie, this is what it looks like now. We're just gonna let it cool. And this is the final look. I'm actually really happy with this. So it doesn't take away your natural volume, just helps to smooth the frizz. You can still, there's still a bit of frizz, but I don't mind it. If you wanted to get extra volume, you could put this right at the top and just rest it and then roll down with it. I obviously didn't do that, but I'm actually really happy with this. I am going to see if I can just twist this up just a bit more. And I would like to practice with this to where I can get it up higher, because I think that would look really nice to have like really nice, not ringlety curls, but you know what I mean, just like get it up a bit higher. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with this. I'm excited to learn to use it more, because obviously it's new. I don't feel super comfortable. But yeah, I think that once I learn how to get like this level of curl up higher to about here, it will look better. I know I watched an IGTV with Zoella, and she was like holding it and then sliding it and then holding it and then sliding it. So that might be the trick. Nope. Guess not. Let's see. But yeah, we'll just have to keep playing with it and see what happens. I love how easy it is to twist this, and I also love that there's this bottom right here, you can touch it, doesn't get hot. That's like a blessing. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.